Okay, so let's go ahead and do this test. On this, torque just has to be real low, but it works pretty good. Let's go ahead and get started. So what you want to do is just put your caps on just barely, just to get it started so you don't get cross-threading. Same with this one. Okay, and these are a little off. I'm using this as kind of a thing to hold the bottles in, so I didn't really have to make a special tray for this test because we're still trying to just get caught up. Anyway, here we go. You can see the distance and stuff is just a little off, but it's still doing the job. So you can see it stopped and capped, and I can't get them any tighter. Let's see if I can do a close-up so you can see it's definitely not going to move. So there you go. So these ones capped good. These ones actually needed less torque, probably because of the smooth bottle. Anyway, so this one will actually look a little better as we cap the home locations actually for this one. There it is. Alright, so same thing, you just kind of barely twist on your bottle. And actually something kind of cool, this overlay tray, we actually might start doing, because you could, put some screws here, two little thumb screws to move this over where you want, and then you could just have one tray and an overlay tray to run 30 mLs to whatever these are. So I thought that was pretty cool. Anyway, so let's go ahead and run this one. This one I might have to tighten up the torque on, but just want to see what it does here. You can see this one, it stopped a lot sooner because there's not as much twist. These guys are just barely on there. And these guys are definitely going to need more torque. I'll show you. I get it zoomed in. You're going to see I could twist it more. So more torque on these guys. Those guys didn't need as much torque. So good thing we got a torque setting here. Alright, so now let's adjust some torque here. So this is your torque setting. I'm going to go up, maybe like 4 or 5 clicks, maybe, quarter turn or so. It's real fine adjustments on this capper. That's why we like it so much. There you go. You can see it hit that torque setting. Hit that torque setting. And those sounded real nice too. They probably are tight. Let's see if I get this zoomed in here. Tight. Can't turn it. Tight. Can't turn it. And just so you can see it again, this one's tight, this one's not, and this way you can see that torque setting working. So you can see it said, nope, not doing that one's tight, that one doing, and good to go. One thing, if you do want to see what happens if you have too much torque on the bottle, I'll go back to these guys. Let's see if I can loosen this up here. Sorry, trying to do this one-handed here. Woo. Okay, both caps are loose on there. Just going to swing this guy over, get them kind of straight. Again, they're going to be a little off-centered. Now the torque setting's higher, so you're actually going to see it now spinning on the bottle. This is why you adjust the torque setting, or maybe not on that one. However, when I was first running this, right before I videotaped, I did have to drop that torque down, but right now both torque settings are working. And again, you can see, tight. So there you go. This capper definitely caps it fine. Got any questions, let me know. Please go to www.rockymountainplc.com and check us out. Thanks.